Hey gang, Poppy here. It's 2 o'clock Saturday the 26th of October 2019. They've told us they're turning off the electricity at 5. There it is, 5 o'clock. Sounds to me like PG&E employees got 3 dartboards. There it is, 3. One for day, one for time, and one for place.
Oh, Ukiah, 5 in the morning. Oh, it's between 2 days. Well, we'll have to toss the coin.
Yeah. Anyway, Project Backup Jack is online, and I will be testing the lifespan of the battery during the outage. As soon as the electricity goes out, I'll record. Tell you the time. We'll be able to post it then. It'll have to be after. But we'll be watching movies and all that using 40 amp hour mobility scooter battery through a APC UPS backups 725. See how long I can run this computer. Later.